To meet you down the Wall Street.
2026 eh.
Ay, paabutin talaga ng January yan.
Did your hair like you were famous?
Para finalize mo ito, January.
Even through it's only just you. Now, Sunday's morning I just sleep.
So, walang...
Like a poet with my feet with you. I'm screaming at a God I didn't know if I believe it. Say don't know why I'm still. I'm still holding on to everything that's goes on. I don't wanna say goodbye, 'cause this one means forever. Now you're under the stars, 6 feet next to you, that's so far. You're in alone, dream, heavens and the embers. Oh, stars for a million different ways. The best of all,
Wala yun yung gagawin. Alam mo eh, kaya nga.
digging through the various letters. From the greatest thing that I could ever find a way to spend it. Even it's the last feeling
Bukas, kailangan tapos na lang.
holding on to everything that's got
Sa akin nga,
I don't wanna say goodbye, 'cause this moment's forever. Now you and the stars, the 6 feet never fades.
pero at least si Bang hindi na umuwi ka na dapat na.
Baby, that's the ember.
Kasi tapos gaya sa trabaho, kayo na lang po.
For a million different reasons.
Oo, government. Gaya na lang. Ganun talaga pala. Kapag kasama, wala pang 1 year, pagka sa akin, sa lang may mapa.
I'm still
Pero sa project, di right ang kasi sa mga meron ko lang itong pray, nag-1 to 8, 1 to 20. Alam mo, kahit gamitin yung
everything that's there.
pagka sinabi sila yan,
Now you're in the stars, with this never
subukan sinabi mo, i-mix mo, ganun pa rin.
you're alone. The
Sabi
dreams
sa kanila, oh.
living at the ember. Oh, it's such hard.
Idea yun eh. Kailangan tapilan ko.
Million different reasons. It's a piece of my heart.
Tapos tabo, ilang araw ko sa MIT, nag-aral din ako doon. 3 days. 7 to 4. Nandun ako sa MIT.